Hello guys, welcome to another episode. So today I'm going to show you how to edit your black skin girl and also maintain a good skin tone. So first of all, we're going to open our frequency separation. Then after opening our frequency separation, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to select the Gaussian blur of 8 because the skin is kind of sharp. So you're going to select your mixer blush and start from your highlight. As you can see now, I'm blushing the highlights and I'm going bit by bit. So you start from the forehead, then start coming down, and make sure that you're maintaining the skin tone and you're not over mixing the skin tone. So take it bit by bit and maintain your highlights, mid-tone, and your shadow. You have to understand the difference between highlights, mid-tone, and shadow. So you watch carefully on how I deal with my highlight, how I deal with my mid-tone, and how I deal with my shadow. If you're having any misunderstanding of how these things work, you can just drop a comment on the section and let me explain more on how to make use of your brush you get. So just watch how I do this as it goes. Yeah, so guys, we are done with the skin. So now I'm going to show you the before and after. So guys, we are done with our frequency separation. Now we'll go to touch and burn. Okay, so let's get to touch and burn. So first of all, use your your retouch academy. That's where you see your touch and burn. You see it on top of there. You click on it. Once you click on it, you close the visual this thing, then open the touch and burn, select your brush tools, then make sure that your flow is on 1 or 2 depending on what you want to get. So normally I leave it at 1. Then yeah, you make sure that your masking this thing is on white. You understand? You have to work. So first of all, you close your frequency separation this thing before you start brushing, so that you can be able to see the real where the highlights and everything is. So make sure you dodge the highlight, then you burn the shadow. So this is how you're going to do it, and make sure you're doing the right thing. Take it easy. You must not get it all right at this time. Within constant practice and your consistency with it, you're gonna get better and better and better. So make sure that you are doing it well. You must not be perfect. Make sure you are doing it well. So guys, I'm gonna show you how the before and after. So let's see. Let's go. Yeah. So I'll show you the before and after. Before, after, before, after. Can you see the magic on this? Yeah, that's the need for dodge and burn to make the picture come out well, not to look flat. So once I'm done with this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color grade this picture. So for anyone that need a dark skin tone color grading preset or not, you can drop your message on the comment section and let me know which of them you want. Then I'm going to send them to you for free. And make sure that you subscribe and also click on the notification bell for me to for you to qualify for this preset. So guys, this is the result of what we have for the picture. As you can see, I've extended some background and I'm still extending them. So this is the beautiful skin tone that we'll be able to get from this. So feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the notification bell for more contents like this. Thank you.